Hi guys, I'm Greg from ZE Portal. This is a quick video showing you how to install and set up ZE Portal version 1000 and above. We've made lots of changes since before version 1000, so I wanted to record a new video showing you the setup process. So when you first install, you will be sent to the extensions details page. Now the first thing you need to do is authorize the extension. If you're upgrading from a previous version, I always recommend hitting revoke and then reauthorizing, because we may have changed some of the authorizations required for the new version. So if we click authorize and we scroll right to the bottom and click accept, now you'll see here that our connection is authorized. So the next thing is to click on settings. Most of the time Zoho will automatically send you through to settings. So if this is the first time you've loaded ZE Portal, you'll see that a free trial is automatically created for you. At any point during your free trial, you can click here to activate your subscription. And then if you already subscribe to other ZE partner extensions, you'll be able to choose which payment method you want to use and tick and subscribe. Otherwise, if this is your first time subscribing to a ZE partner extension, you'll need to add payment information and then click subscribe. You will only be charged when your subscription renews, which is after your free trial. So you can activate your subscription at any point before the end of your free trial. You can also register for our billing portal. So just make sure you use this email address here that's shown. This will probably be your email address, but if you didn't install the extension, it might be the super admin's email address, or whoever installed the extension, in which case the billing portal will be in their name. You can contact us and we can update that if necessary. So you just click here, click sign up, put that email address in, and be sure to use that email address. And then put in the captcha and click sign up. Then that person will receive an email. They'll click on the link, be able to set a password. If you need any help or guidance, feel free to book a free installation support meeting. Just click here and choose a time and date, and then the appointment will be booked into our calendars. So the first thing we need to do is choose a portal short name. So I'm going to choose Acme Accountancy. This is the name that will show up in the URL after zeportal.net. So if your clients choose to set a username and password to access the portal, they'll be able to visit this address to log in and access their portals. Otherwise, the default position is that the system will email your clients a magic link that they can click on, and that will automatically show them their portal. So now we need to put in our website URL and a link to our privacy policy. In the EU and the UK and many states in America, you're legally required to have a privacy policy when you are collecting data from your clients or users. So that's why we insist that you have this. If you are in a state or a country that doesn't require this and you don't have a privacy policy, then you can just put a link to your website and that will be acceptable as well. Next, you need a logo image URL. So what we suggest for this is you go onto your website and you right click on your logo image and say copy image address. And then you come back here to the settings and just paste that in there. And if that has worked, then you should see your logo here. Now set your date time format. And this is how we will format all the date and time fields that are pulled in through merge tags later. Now click update settings. There we go. All right, so now the next section that you see is how we need to set up our Zoho OAuth settings. So we go in here and we click accept. And now we click settings. And now we're technically set up. So there are other settings that we can work on here if we choose to. So here you'll see that we've automatically created a WorkDrive team folder called ZE Portal. If you are reinstalling this later, we will find the previous folder, if you had one, named ZE Portal. Otherwise, if you want to have your base ZE Portal folder be in a specific location in WorkDrive, then you can do that. but you need to create it as a team folder. So just make sure that it goes here under team folders, and then you need to get the team folder ID from the end of the URL here. Okay? So next, we have the ability to put our Sales IQ widget code here. So if we go over to Sales IQ and access, obviously you will need to have had this set up in the past. So now we go settings, brands, Acme Accountancy, installation, website, and then we can copy this link. And now we can come back here and paste that link. All right. We've got our Zoho Books settings. So you can see we have two Zoho Books organizations, and this is quite common. People often start with a free version of Zoho Books by mistake without realizing that the version inside the Zoho One subscription is different. So that's why we give you the opportunity here to pick which of the Zoho Books organizations you want to link to. So we're going to link to the correct one, and you'll see I've renamed the bad one as delete this inside Zoho Books. So I strongly recommend you do the same to avoid mistakes in the future. Now we click Update Settings. And there we go. We are now completely set up. In our next video, I will show you how to create portal item templates and portal templates, how to connect them together, and then how to create a client portal using that template. So you can click on the card up here to view that video. Thanks very much. Please remember to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or want to book a demo meeting with me, please go to zeportal.net, or from within the settings menu, you can click here to book a demo. Thanks a lot.